Alright, over here, so we've got the Phillips Norelco OneBlade. Unique OneBlade technology, so fast moving cutter, 100 times per second, powers through even the longest hair. Okay, glide coating combined with rounded tips, perfect for your skin. So trim, edge, and shape any length of hair. Okay, beard, right? So trim it down. We've got some three beard and stubble combs, right? And it's also a charging. All right, so open here. Okay, one right over here. So I'm gonna have to, yeah, I have to open that up. Okay, all right. Then gonna have to check it out how to open this one. Okay, here it goes. So I think this one right over here. We've got this right over here. We've got some. Yep, user manual. Okay, got the user manual. So I'm gonna have to put it down. All right, I'm gonna have to put it down right over there. So let's go. Gonna have to check. So what is this? So we've got some. Yep, four headers, right? To check it out. So welcome to one plate. So this is only for $19, right? So this is only $19. And also very good one. Okay, here it goes. This is the, yep. And then let's go check some accessories right over here. Okay, let's go check some accessories. And then we've got some, how many? Yep, this is for the head, right? I think this is for the head. uh how to put this on. Oops, sorry for that. All right, so this one right over here. Okay, so okay, this one is gonna be inserted right over here, right? So okay, here it goes. So and then what is this one? We've got the blade. Okay, okay, we've got the blade right over here. So you're just gonna have to put that one. Okay, how to put that one? I think that one. Okay, okay, just like that. All right, so and we've got some, yep, four. We got some three heads over here. So this one right over here. Let's go. I have to put that one right over here, right? So that you can use it if you want to. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to try it out. Okay. So I'm gonna have to. So uh, this one right over here is also, and also I think I can use this one. Yep, this is a good one also. Yep, you can select that. So it's already so got a bunch of heads right over here. So if you want to use some heads, okay, I think it's in the wrong side, right? Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah, there you go. So you just have to put it like that one, and then gonna have to. Yep, but you know, right? Okay. So there's a number on here, so it says number five, right? So I have to take it off. Okay, yeah. This one right over here is the number one, right? So just gonna have to put it like that, and then put it like that, and then you're gonna have to start. Oh, okay. Yep, there's a hair. Okay, there's the hair on it. Yep, it's yeah, perfect. So it can, you know, take this one. Right. Yep, very good. So this is the Phillips Norelco OneBlade, and also it's a rechargeable, right? Also, okay, let's go and have to check the charger for this one, right? So this is the charger for this one. So since this is different from the others, right? So this is different. You just have to this one right over here is for you to connect it into this one, right? I think. Oh, okay. Here it goes. I have to connect it like that one, right? And then you just gonna have to charge up into this wall charger, right? So it's a USB-A, not a USB-C, but you know, it's still good, right? So it's still good. Yeah, perfect. And also, I really, really love this kind of eraser, right? So if you don't want to use this one right over here, you can you can also use you can also take this off if you want to, right? So yep, and then there's an hair on it. Yep, there's an hair. Okay. Yep, there's an hair. Okay, so if you want to use this one, you can have to yeah like that, and then right. So yep, nice and also perfect. So bladeless, right? This is the bladeless. This is a bladeless, right? So bladeless. So you just have to use it like that one, and then yep, nice, perfect. So gonna make a follow-up video for this one, right? I'm also gonna make a follow-up video for this one. So all right, so I think okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, right? And I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify on the upcoming video videos. Okay, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.